Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making a simple recipe which is salted mushroom. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have vegetable oil, sliced mushrooms, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, salt, butter, 1 Maggi cube, thyme and garlic powder. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. In a large pan on a medium-high heat, I'll pour in the oil. Then add the butter and stir it around. When the butter has melted, I will add my mushrooms. Then stir it around. I will keep stirring it around until it's well cooked. To know when the mushroom is cooked is when the color changes its color to a nicely brown color. I will add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 Maggi cube. Then stir it around. I will add half teaspoon of Cameroon pepper. Then stir it around. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my salted mushroom. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.